Namaste everybody. This is Ankush Bhandari from USA. What is happening is India we can't speak on that. It seems that in Maharashtra, it has become a jungle Raj. There's no democracy left anymore. The freedom of speech is highly at risk. We are not understanding what the central government is doing now. Are they asleep, or they are deliberately not want to take any action? This is the questions which all the non-resident Indians all over the world has to ask. If these people will not stand up now and take action, the democracy itself is a big question in India now. I request the central minister, the home minister, the PMO office, everybody, Modi ji, Amit Shah ji, everybody over there, it's the time to stand up and show that India has democracy. भारत एक लोकतांत्रिक देश है. यहाँ गुंडा राज नहीं चलेगा. यहाँ कम्युनिज्म नहीं चलेगी. It's the time to stand up and say enough is enough. They have to do action. They have to make sure that the freedom of speech should not be eliminated. This is our constitutional right, and we have the right to speak up. What is going on with Arnab ji is cannot be said in words. This is horrible, terrified. This is the murder of democracy, of free speech. I request all the Indians, wherever they are, in any part of the world, please stand up and say enough is enough. We want a governor rule. We want the center to interfere and take the action right away. If center didn't take the action, people will tell the center government maybe in the coming election in Bihar or maybe in 2024, because this is the IT age. This is not 1975 where they can do anything what they want. It's time gone when the emergency can be done and the freedom of press was inhibited. Okay, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.